Eufy's Anti-Theft Mode is a security feature designed for their cameras to protect against tampering. It uses motion sensors and gyroscopic sensors to detect when someone tries to remove or disconnect the camera. When triggered, it activates a loud siren between 90 and 110 decibels, sends immediate app notifications, and can optionally send email alerts. This mode is designed to deter thieves and alert homeowners to potential break-ins. Importantly, no internet connection is required for the local siren to activate. To enable anti-theft mode, open the Eufy app on your device. Arm the camera when it is stationary. The mode activates when the camera detects no movement. Customize the siren's duration and volume in the app settings. Adjust for 30 seconds or more and set the decibel level. Configure alert settings to include push notifications and optional email alerts. Set up geofencing to disable alerts when you're home. The app uses your location to prevent unnecessary notifications. Ensure the Eufy app is on version 4.5 or later, released in late 2025, for the latest anti-theft features. Eufy's anti-theft detection uses gyroscopic sensors to constantly monitor the camera's orientation. If the camera is moved or tilted beyond a set threshold of 15 degrees, tampering is immediately detected. The detection system combines gyroscopic sensors with infrared sensors for comprehensive protection, especially during nighttime when visual detection alone might not be sufficient. Enhanced AI algorithms help the system intelligently distinguish between environmental disturbances, like wind or vibrations, and deliberate tampering attempts, significantly reducing false alarms. Mount cameras on stable surfaces away from easy access points to prevent tampering. Use tamper-resistant screws and adhesive pads for secure mounting. Consider cable locks for outdoor models to secure wires against theft. Position cameras at 7 to 10 feet for optimal sensor range and detection. Test mount stability to prevent accidental triggers from movement. Eufy recommends their proprietary mounting kits for optimal security features. The built-in siren serves as an immediate deterrent against tampering. When triggered, the siren emits a loud alarm to alert and scare off potential intruders. Newer models, like the Eufy Cam 3 Pro, include an LED strobe light that activates alongside the siren, increasing deterrence by creating a visual alert. The siren's intensity and duration are customizable through the Eufy app, allowing users to adjust the volume and length of the alarm. Note that prolonged siren use can drain the camera's battery. To address this, keep the firmware updated for patches that optimize power consumption. When tampering is detected, you receive instant notifications through the Eufy app. These include timestamps, video clips of the incident, and location details to help you respond quickly. If you don't acknowledge the alert, it can escalate automatically to emergency contacts. The system sends notifications via cell text, voice calls, and email until the tiers are exhausted. The system supports geofencing to prevent unnecessary alerts when you're at home. When your phone is detected within the geofenced area, alerts are automatically silenced. Always verify your notification settings in the Eufy app to ensure alerts arrive within 5 seconds and reach the right contacts. Check emergency contact lists and geofencing boundaries regularly. Eufy prioritizes privacy by storing data locally on an eMMC card. This means your footage and data are kept on the camera itself, not uploaded to external servers unless you choose. Unlike cloud storage, which can be vulnerable to hacks, local storage keeps your data secure and private. The core anti-theft functionality operates locally, ensuring it works even without internet. This design reduces risks associated with online data breaches and hacking attempts. Future anti-theft technology is increasingly relying on artificial intelligence for predictive tampering detection, allowing systems to anticipate potential threats before they happen. Integration with smart home ecosystems is expanding, with support for Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit growing rapidly. The Matter protocol is especially important for seamless device communication across different brands. Looking ahead, future advancements in anti-theft technology may incorporate biometrics for secure, authorized access and blockchain-secured firmware to prevent hacking and ensure tamper-proof updates.